So Professor Liu is going to teach you to chapter 5 homework. See number 4 first. Number 4 question say develop a C++ program that display the message entry error when the contents of the units variable is less than or equal to 0. Otherwise, uh, you are going to calculate the total O by multiply the unit by $5. Store the total O in a total variables, then display the total O. Okay, so it's a company and want to see the units you purchase. Okay, so you really cannot purchase a negative number. Is that right? Okay, so no matter what you want to purchase cell phone, you don't purchase -5. All right, so each one is $5. Probably this is what um you know toothbrush, something easy, cheap thing. Okay, so we start to do this program right now. I'm going to launch to Visual Studio. All right, so I create new project. Make sure you go to the right one. I have many different class empty projects. Okay, so I am going to call these is chapter 5. This is homework underscore. This is 4. That's 2 underscore 4. It's okay. So chapter 5 homework underscore 4. Then I create. All right, so I am going to right click it and add a new item. And new item, just don't call it source. Have the same name as your solution. Okay, so chapter 5 homework underscore 4. Okay, all right, so let's have the golden 7 line right now. It's okay. All right, so I have this right now. All right, so we are going to do this. Okay, so first with the variable right here. All right, so the variable right here, you have a unit. The unit probably will be integer. Is that right? Because you don't purchase 4.5 units. Unit will be variable and the total price. Okay, so we are going to coming back here. I'm going to say integer unit. Okay, and I'll have a double price. Total, sorry. Then remember we are going to have a constant variable. Is that right? Const double and it's called price. So I'm going to put price as uppercase. It's okay. And I'm going to put 5. So let me explain to you. Even though right now 5 is a integer, I still choose to be a double because maybe next time is 5.15. Then you don't need to change the double. You don't need to change the price, right? So right now we are going to do this right now. So we are going to ask a user, say, hey, how many unit do you want to order? Is that right? Then if the unit is less than 0, we're going to say this what entry error. Otherwise, we're just going to say your total price. Is that right? Okay, so we're going to say CL enter the price, enter the units you want to order. All right. Then we will see in unit. Okay, so they will give me the unit right here. Okay. So once you are here right now, then we're going to use the if statement to control. Okay. So if your unit, okay, if else statement is inside parentheses, if your unit is less than 0, now I'm going to teach you something here. Okay, less than 0 is no good. How about you also want to control somebody, because right now we are writing a program, but maybe on the internet somebody will doing in the, no one watch, they put 10 million something, and you want to create alert to check is this order valid, or just accident, some people just type it accident type mistake. So, and I want to show you, or then you say, or unit is greater than uh okay less than equal 0. That's good. And unit, good job. And unit, probably we're just going to put greater than 1000. All right, just example. Okay, depend on the product you sell, so the company knows much better. So this way is unit less than equal 0 or unit greater than 0. This is no good. So this is write down this. This is not a valid order. Is that right? Okay. Now, I want to do greater, because sometimes 1000. Okay. So it doesn't matter, but that's a good suggestion. That's a very good suggestion. Thank you, Gregory. Okay. So you can do, we just do example. Okay. Let me put equal, make Gregory happy. Okay. So now we're going to do that. So then we're going to say CL, and this will be what entry unit entry error. All right, we really cannot sell you anything for that. We don't have that kind of thing. Else, all right. So else right here, we're going to do something right now. Else first we need to figure out the total price. Is that right? So the total will be equal to right here we are going to say this. The total will be equal to unit times price. All right. So once we do that, then we're going to say this. Okay. We're going to say CL, the total price for the units you order is, and we're going to put total. Is that okay? All right, so far do you understand? So if this question is an easy if else statement, we have two options. So if the unit is no good, okay, and we just say unit entry error. How about that? And otherwise we are going to figure out this price. So let's do it right now. I'm going to build it. And I'm going to start without debugging. All right. So at first I tried 2000. All right. So 2000 entry error. It won't do anything. Then I'm going to start without debugging. This time, let me put 100. That should be $500. Is that okay? All right. So If I want a dollar sign here, I can put a dollar sign in front, right in front of that quotation. All right, just right in front of here. So you will have a dollar sign. Let me try one more time. So rebuild it and start without debugging. So I'm just going to put 100. Is that right? So now it's $500 right now. Right. So that will be your question number one. I complete this assignment, and I hope you like this assignment and continue programming whenever you have time.